Hey guys, what's up? What's popping? What's good? It's your girl Crystal, and I'm back with another video. I know child. I've been slipping, but life happens. I've been super busy, and life is taking over. But I just had to drop this video for you guys, cause girl, I got a plug. So if you are a new subscriber, hey girl, hey, welcome to the Styles by C family. Thanks for giving your girl support. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, thanks for coming back. Today's video, I am gonna be working with a company called Pear. And yes, I have worked with this company before a few times, and I was pleased with their service. I'm gonna put all the links in the description box below with everything, all the details on the unit and where you can find it and all of that. Okay, but let's get into this video. So I got the unit, literally I just got it yesterday. I did wear it, but I wanted to show you guys how it looks on me and give an honest review about the hair. This is a 16-inch kinky curly wig. Came in this packaging, and again, Pear here. I don't know if you can see it. Alright, so it came with two headbands, because it is a headband wig, and it came with two of these. This is so cute. And it came with this one. This one's pretty too. Yes, girl. It came with the wig cap, and of course the unit itself. Now, like I said, it's a 16-inch headband wig, kinky curly. This is the unit. Like I said, I previously wore her, so she is still a little moist. But this is the wig. This is how she looks, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna install her today. So if you want to see how I transform, baby, stay tuned. First, we're gonna start off by taming my hair, my actual hair. And I'm gonna slick it back just with some edge control. This is literally the only edge control that works with my hair. It will slick my hair back, and it'll stay sleeked for the entire day. So I'm just gonna take a good size amount because I really want to slick it back. I'm just gonna place it on the pyramid of my head, or the front of my head. You can use gel for this, or any edge control of your choice if you like me, but I can't use gel because it won't hold down my hair, my natural hair. And yes, girl, this is the growth. It's a little bit patted down because I was asleep. I literally just got up, but it's growing, child. It's growing. All right, so now that we've added the edge control, we're gonna go in and literally just brush. And you want to use a hard brush because my hair, you can use a soft brush if you like, but my hair, child, ain't gonna work with no soft brush. And I'm just slicking it back, girl. Swooping and slicking it back. I were to put a lace front tool, it would be a different story. I would have used like maybe some gel, something that would stay a little longer. Ooh. Okay, so now that we got my hair, well, the front of my hair under control, we're going to add our cap to the rest of my hair, to the rest of your hair. So this is the cap that it comes with, and you're just gonna put it on. There you go. You're halfway there. We're gonna grab our wig. So we're gonna grab her. And she has 3 combs and adjustable straps in there. So we have the first back comb. She has 4 combs actually. 2 side combs, 1 for the middle, and the adjustable straps. So we're going to put her on. Pull it. And I like to do my back first. So ensure that the back is secure. And now we're going to add our side combs. So yeah. Front comb. And the side comb. There we go. I'm gonna hold her up. Alright, so now you want to hold her up. We're gonna use one of our, you can use a scrunchie if you have one, butterfly clips. So handy. We're gonna put these up so we can pin this properly. You're just gonna, it's Velcro in the back, so it should be easy for you to stick on. And there you go, we're all set. Now I kind of like my edges out, so I'm gonna push it back a bit. Yeah, I kind of like that look, so I'm gonna push it back a little bit. Yeah, and now we're gonna tackle this hair. So what I'm gonna use is just a little detangler. I'm gonna spray it all over. It's so soft. And some mousse, of course. Some mousse. We're gonna put a little mousse on her. The last product that I'm gonna use, because it's a curly wig, will be a little curly pudding, and it's from shea butter. because it's a curly wig. So just to, you know, make those curls pop, let me use some curly pudding. Put some in the hair. Yes, child. Alright, so now we're gonna take our brush and we're just gonna make sure that the product is evenly spread through the hair. Wow, this is so cute. This is really pretty. It's very soft, guys. Very soft. Feels like butter with the product in it. This is so cute. And look at how the curls just come alive with that pudding. Yes, girl. The curls just kind of comes alive with that. That pudding. Chill. I don't think I was ready. It is so pretty. If you watch my channel a lot, you will notice that I don't really do short hair, short curly hair. At that, I don't really do that. My wigs are usually 18 inches and longer, but I am loving the look of this wig, girl. All right, so now we are gonna take one of our headbands, or if you love it this way, you could be done right now, girl. You could be done right now and just walk out the door because you already got a headband. But I'm gonna put one of my headbands just to show you, you know, how it looks. And you can put this hair up, because how I wore it last night, I had it up in one. You know, it was pretty cute. I'm gonna put a picture somewhere on the screen so you guys can see how it looked. It looked good, girl. It looked good. So I'm gonna go ahead and add one of these on so you guys can see how it looks. Yes, girl. Yes. 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 Woo. Woo. Yes. I'm feeling myself, child. Woo. It looks good. I'm gonna show you how the other one looks. So this is the other one, and this hair is great for just chill days, girl. Like when you ain't got time to stick on no lace front or no frontal, and you know you're not ready to get a sew in, child. Get you a headband wig. Get you a headband wig. Get you a headband wig, sis, because it is giving. It is giving. It is giving, child. It is giving. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup so I can give you guys the finished look, of course. Yes, girl. Yes. Look at her. She is giving. She is giving. I know I ain't got no earrings on today, girl, but like I said, you can use this wig to go to the grocery store just for everyday use. and she is giving. You can also use her to go out. Like I said, if you know me, I don't usually wear short wigs, so I would use this for, you know, just hanging out at home, or, you know, if I have quick little errands to do, I would use it. If you are interested in this wig, like I said, I will put everything down in the description box below so you guys are able to purchase her. But yes, girl, yes. Thanks again for watching. You have yourself a beautiful day. Stay beautiful. Peace.